my little babies. Good morning, Booze, and today I am cleaning my cottage for spring. I was supposed to go to LA this week, then I read this Bible verse and it said, be still, and it spoke to me, and spring is the beginning of something. It's the beginning of everything. It's the light after a dark winter. Not only do I absolutely love spring, but I feel like I've been running around like a crazy woman for the past year and a half, and I want to be still. I want to get my cottage nice and clean and fresh for spring. I want to rearrange my sunroom, and stay tuned for later in this vlog. You're going to see me redo this room. But I just wanted to clean my cottage, get it ready for spring and Easter, decorate, and I wanted to bring you guys with me. So if you're interested in this cleaning / decorating for Easter vlog, then keep watching. Good morning, fancy babies. I just got back from my trip to Disney World. I actually have a really epic vlog going up after this one about my entire trip. But for now, it's time for some spring cleaning. I decided to take it upon myself and get my Pennsylvania cottage all ready for spring and Easter. Anytime I come home from a trip, my home is a beautiful mess, but this time in particularly, I'm just super excited to clean up my house. Spring is one of my favorite seasons. I'm a Taurus, so I was born in May, but I also really love to celebrate Easter, and I know those of you who watch me do too. And if you guys want to smell like cake and candy and cream this Easter, you should totally stop at gabiefragrances.com and order Beautiful Mess, because it's 19% off from now till Easter with code GABSTER. And by the way, it smells so good paired off with my Happy Easter body spray. So right now I'm just lighting some candles, because candles really get me in the mood to clean and organize and do tasks that I don't necessarily want to do. And so do old Easter films. I absolutely love Easter Parade with Judy Garland. Anyways, this is what my closet looks like right now, and I know it looks like a beautiful mess, but it's all dirty laundry because of my trip. When waiting for laundry to be done, I like to take a break by playing mobile games on my phone, and lately I've been playing Matchmasters. This puzzle game is available in both single and multiplayer modes, boasts fantastic graphics and gameplay that really immerse you into the experience. And as you progress through levels, the challenges ramp up and time seems to fly by. I'm so thankful to be supported by Matchmasters, because time really does pass while playing this game. One of the great things about Matchmasters is that you can play against your friends as well as meet new people and play with them. And personally, one of my favorite things about Matchmasters is that I can play against my friends. It is such an experience. So right now I'm about to use the duck booster, and if you didn't know this, there are over 20 different boosters to use in this game. Some are common and easy to obtain, and others are more powerful and difficult to earn. The stronger the booster, the harder it will be to take you down. And the duck booster is my all-time favorite because it helps me get ahead much more quickly. I also want to draw attention to how adorable my avatar is. As you can see, I'm this cute little hamster in the upper left-hand corner. This game will take you to another world and is a positive distraction, and when I'm thinking about chores of the day, I love to have distractions. It helps time pass quickly, and I get so caught up in the game, so before I know it, laundry is done. And I am winning. Matchmasters is giving away a $10 piñata pack for free. All you need to do is download the game through the link in my description box or the QR code on the screen. If you do so, you will also get an extra package with coins, boosters, an outfit, a sticker, and a lucky spin. So download it now and enjoy the game, and let's get back into the chores.
babies.
This one is so cute. Easter bouquet. Oh, this one was bunny cake. And this one is sweet bunny carrots. So now that I did the not so fun stuff like laundry and dishes, it's time to add some spring decor to my house. I decided to decorate my office with this vintage magazine and this vintage dress that had Easter colors on it. And usually I would edit on my iMac, but today I feel like sitting on my office guest bed and editing my Disney vlog. Anytime I'm editing like a video, I need to just be relaxed and be peaceful if I want it to be my best work. Here's a little sneak peek of my Disney vlog that I have going up this week. It's a really long vlog. Make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you're notified when it goes up. But now that I'm done editing, it's time to head back into the kitchen and do some cleaning of the stove and my countertops. And of course, set up for Easter. So if you guys watch other vloggers, you know that the PR packages are real. There are so many boxes in my home. I'm either ordering things online or things are coming in, things are going out, or PR boxes. And I don't like wasting cardboard, so I like to rip it up and put it in a garbage bag to put in my recycling outside. I swear, sometimes it's a workout. So with spring cleaning comes some donations, things I no longer need that are in the house. So I'm just loading my car with the items that I'm donating. And as the day started coming to an end, my friend and I decided to rearrange the sunroom. I want to show you the new sunroom. So we get over here and the two wicker chairs are on this side of the room with this rug. This little bistro chair I'm gonna put a plant on. And then my favorite part of the room is this love seat with this rug and a view to the creek. And then we have this chandelier. And this little chair. This dark wood chair with a basket, a blanket, and then this cute little like twiggy heart decoration. I love this old shutter. Oh my gosh, this is just so cozy. You guys should see it at night. I'm just so happy with it. And this lamp is from Target. It's so pretty. Like, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like at nighttime, but this room is just, I think it's my favorite room. This like box thing that I got at an antique shop to put like my purse and my keys. and whatever I need on the way out the door, maybe some sunglasses. Here's this cute little hedge plant. It's fake. This old thing was the top of an old vintage banister, and I just thought it would look really cute on this distressed dresser. I actually found this at Salval, and it was $65. It's just so beautiful, this unfinished wood. It's super farmhousey. Believe it or not, this love seat is from my original first apartment ever, and it was in storage, and I went to my storage unit and I found it, and I was like, oh my God, I need this. Also guys, my Easter dress came in, so let's take a moment for that. She is from Lace Made, but I'm not gonna show you her till I post my annual Easter selfie, So that's it for this spring cleaning video. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like cleaning videos on this channel. Thank you so much, Matchmasters, for supporting this vlog. If you guys want to download the game, the link is in the description box or in the QR code right here. And I'll see you guys in my next video, which is going to be a very, very exciting video. So stay tuned for that. I teased it in this video. And Nikki and I are back to filming weekly videos again for the Nikki and Gabi channel. So definitely subscribe to this channel, subscribe to Nikki and Gabi, hit the bell notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next fancy vlog.